Cuisinart is going green. With brand new eco-friendly cookware that is as good for the environment as it is for your cooking. Good for the environment because it uses manufacturing techniques that reduce harmful carbon emissions by consuming less energy. Good for the environment because it has a cooking surface that is made of a naturally occurring petroleum-free material, Ceramica, which is exclusive to Cuisinart. Also good for the environment because we only use packaging made from 100% recycled materials and printed with ink made from soy. Plus, the handles are made from 70% recycled stainless steel. And best of all, this non-stick cookware is completely free of PTFE and PFOA. Coming from the brand you trust, Cuisinart GreenGourmet Cookware isn't just good for the environment, it's good for your cooking, too. You'll find this cookware to be the perfect choice for your kitchen, whether you are a home cook or even a renowned chef like Hubert Keller of Fleur de Lis and Burger Bar restaurants. Compared to other cookware choices, Cuisinart GreenGourmet Cookware heats up faster and is more thermally efficient, providing quicker cooking capabilities. It can also go directly into the oven and be used for top browning and broiling foods, unlike traditional non-stick surfaces. The Cuisinart exclusive Ceramica cooking surface is non-abrasive, scratch-resistant, and will not peel off. The satin-brushed stainless steel handles are contoured for a comfortable grip, and their V-shape dissipates the heat so that the handle won't get hot. The hard anodized construction ensures that both the sides and the bottom of the pan heat up evenly and quickly. Yet another feature that reduces energy consumption. And as you would expect from Cuisinart, this product comes with a limited lifetime warranty. Go green with Cuisinart GreenGourmet Cookware. It's the right choice for your family and the environment.